Difference between cash flow analysis and fund flow analysis. First, meaning this statement show cash inflow and outflow during the year. The same meaning is written in the fund flow. Purpose of cash flow is to analyze the liquidity of the firm. Liquidity is the keyword of cash flow, and whereas working capital, to analyze the working capital, is the keyword of fund flow statement. Component of cash flow, there are three components: operating activities, financing activities, and investing activities. Fund flow, there is application of fund and sources of fund. There are two sections in fund flow: application of fund and sources of fund. End result, we will get to know the net cash and cash position of the firm in case of cash flow, and in case of fund flow we will get to know the working capital position of the firm. And reporting, in case of reporting of cash flow, it is mandatory, and in case of fund flow it is non-mandatory.